Ever wondered what happens when you try balancing a full-time job, executive MBA classes, presentations, networking, and still try to have a life? By 10 a.m. today, I will be on stage giving a TEDx style talk. But right now, I'm still debating whether I should even go. Hi, I am Suneha Dubey. I work as a manager in Flipkart. Good morning. Well, this is exactly what my Saturdays look like. And today is honestly a little more intense than usual because I have to give a TEDx style talk for our Art of Storytelling presentation as a part of a curriculum. And I'm not even kidding. This morning, I almost didn't feel like going. But yeah, the day had to start anyway. My early morning starts with me pulling out my to-do list and writing everything down. And then coffee, because panic, but naked caffeinated. And before the day fully starts, I quickly squeeze in for a jog. It helps me start the day feeling a little more focused and energized. Then I freshen up, and it's already time to get ready for classes. In front of the mirror, I'm still running my lines in my head again and again. After that, I have breakfast with my family, just that small normal moment of calm before the day takes over. Then I prepare my lunch because, yeah, I'm a little diet conscious, so I try to carry something healthy. And then I look at the time, it's already 8, and I have to rush for my 9 a.m. classes. After that, it's email, class schedule, to-do list, and mentally running through my talk again and again. Honestly, balancing full-time job and an executive MBA has made me overly dependent on planning everything. And I'm looking out of the window thinking, what are you doing? This is a big stage. This is not you yet. And this is the campus. My second home on weekends now. And you know what people often ask me? What going back to school really means for a senior working professional. And honestly, it's not about studying again. It's about unlearning comfort. It's about sitting in a classroom after years of work experience and realizing you're still a student in so many ways. One thing I genuinely love here is people. Everyone here comes from different industries and brings completely different experiences. So even random conversations turn into learning moments. And honestly, one of the best parts of this whole journey is not just the classroom, it's the network. Talking to peers, exchanging experiences, and even connecting with industry leaders and faculty. Those conversations sometimes teach you more than the lecture itself. Once class starts, it's all discussions, debates, case studies, and questions flying everywhere. There is really no space to just sit quietly and zone out. And then suddenly, it's time for my talk. My topic is phones as a co parenting tool, good or bad. The moment I held the mic, my heart was racing, like properly racing. But after the first few lines, something shifted. I settled in. I stopped overthinking. And I actually started enjoying it. Which is crazy because just a few hours ago I was convincing myself not to come. And then today we have something happening on campus, and that's the Cricket Cup. So now it's cricket, laughter, chaos, and all of us forgetting we were stressed just a few hours ago. By the time I get back home, I am exhausted. But it's the good kind of exhausted. I spend some time with my dog, chill with family for a bit, and slowly wind down. Before sleeping, I always look at my to-do list one last time. And today, I think I crossed off something bigger than just task. Fear. Anyway, lights out, and tomorrow we do it all over again, back to classes.